Hello everybody, welcome back to my English class. How are you today? I hope you guys are good. So now students, are you ready to start a new lesson with me? Let's go. Okay, so students, today we are going to study Unit 10 in the park, and the lesson is number 5. It's about the reading skills. So, before we start the new lesson, let's play the game to review the previous lesson with me. And now, students, please look at the pictures, read the sentences, and write the correct number for me. Here we go. So, look, how many pictures can you see here? We have 8 numbers here, so of course, 8 pictures for you, students. And here, they are the sentences for you. The first one, you must put leader in the garbage can. Next, you mustn't eat here. Number 3, here, you mustn't take the photo. And this one, you must wash your hands. And here, you mustn't walk your dog. This one, you must be quiet. And here, you mustn't walk on the grass. And the last one, you mustn't ride your bike. All right, so students, now Mr. Thuận, I am going to give you 1 minute. Read the sentences, look at the pictures, and write the correct number for me. Now, here we go. All right, time's up. Now, let's start with the first sentence here. You must put the leader in the garbage can. So, students, what number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. You must put the leader in the garbage can. Where is the garbage can here? Of course, this one, right? So you must put the leader here. So this is number 1. Correct. How about this sentence? You mustn't eat here. You mustn't eat here. You must not eat here. So that is number 6, this one. You mustn't eat here. And how about this sentence? You mustn't take the photo. The photo. So now let's find the camera. So this one, number 5, you must not take the photo. So that's right, number 5. And the next sentence is, you must wash your hands. Wash your hands. All right, this one, right? This is the hand. So this is number 4. And this sentence, you mustn't walk your dog. You mustn't walk your dog. So where is the dog? Let's find it. This one, right? You must not walk your dog here. So, number 7 for this sentence. And the next sentence is, you must be quiet. Be quiet. So, this one, right? You must be quiet. You mustn't talk. You must be quiet. Of course, number 8. And 2 more. You mustn't walk on the grass. So let's find the grass. This one, you must not walk on the grass here. So of course it's number 3. And the last sentence, you mustn't ride your bike. So of course, the last picture, number 2. Very good, students. All right, so now let's start with the new lesson today. The first part is about the vocabulary. So students, please look at the picture This is the first word in the reading here. We have the word shout. So everybody please repeat after me. Shout. Shout. Remember the letter T. T. Shout. Shout. Thank you. So students, this is the synonym of shout, or you can say it the same meaning with shout. You can use speak loudly, speak loudly. Now, I will give you an example. There's no need to shout, I can hear you. There's no need to shout, I can hear you. And the next one is Joyce. Joyce. So students, repeat after me. Joyce. Joyce. And now, how about the synonym? You can say run after, run after. Now let's link it, run after, run after. And now look at my example, please. Look at the girl in the picture. She is chasing the rabbit. She is chasing the rabbit. Or you can say she is running after the rabbit. And how about this one? We have the verb catch. Catch. So everybody repeat after me. Catch. Catch. And how about its synonym? Take hold. Take hold. And look at my example. The girl, she is using hands to catch the ball, right? Look at the picture. The girl, she is using hands to catch the ball. And this one, another verb for you. We have meet. 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 All right, so student, let's say meet. Meet. And the synonym is see and talk. If you meet someone, that means you see him and talk with him. Example, would you like to meet my brother? Would you like to meet my brother? Got it? And this one, look. Now we have the verb cross. 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 How about a synonym? Passover. 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 Example. You should cross the road here. You should cross the road here. Or you can say, you should pass over the road here. And now, students, there are the 5 new words here. Now, Mr. Thần, I would like you to listen to the recording, please. Let's go.
Listening 95. Listen and point.
Shout. Chase. Catch. Meet. Cross. Meet. Shout. Cross. Chase. Catch.
Listen and repeat.
Shout. Chase. Catch. Meet. Cross.
All right, so that's all about the recording. And now, students, this is another activity for you to do. Look and answer the question. What are they doing? Now, look at the pictures, please. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the last one. So in total, we have 3 pictures here. Now let's start with the first picture. So everybody look at the people in the first picture. Picture number 1 here. What are they doing, everybody? Look. So everybody look at this. His name is the gingerbread man, and he is the old woman. So what are they doing? Of course, the old woman is looking at the gingerbread man, right? Can you see here? The old woman, she is looking at the gingerbread man. And how about the gingerbread man? What's he doing? So as you can see in the picture, he's running, right? That's good. How about the picture number 2 here? What are they doing? So can you look at the old woman here? She is chasing the gingerbread man, right? And the last picture, we have another character, and that is the fox. And now students, what are they doing? Now, the gingerbread man is on the fox's nose. And look at the fox, please. What's he doing? Of course, the fox is opening his mouth to eat the gingerbread man, right? That's good. So students, the 3 pictures are in the story, the reading, and the name of the reading is The Gingerbread Man. So if you want to know more about the reading, please listen to the recording together. Now, are you ready? Let's go.
Listening 96. Listen and read.
The Gingerbread Man. One day, an old woman makes a special cookie, a gingerbread man. The old woman wants to eat him, but the gingerbread man runs and shouts, "Run, run, run if you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!" The old woman is angry. She chases him. The gingerbread man meets a cat. The cat wants to eat him, but he runs away. He runs to the river. He wants to cross the river, but he can't swim. There is a fox near the river. "I can swim," says the fox. "Sit on my head." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's head. The fox starts to swim. "The water is deeper now," says the fox. "You must sit on my nose." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose. The fox opens its mouth and eats him.
All right, so that's all about the recording. And now, students, Mr. Thần, I would like you to listen to me and repeat after me, please. Now, let's start with the first paragraph here. One day, an old woman makes a special cookie, a gingerbread man. The old woman wants to eat him, but the gingerbread man runs and shouts, "Run, run, run if you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man." The old woman is angry. She chases him. The gingerbread man meets a cat. The cat wants to eat him, but he runs away. He runs to the river. He wants to cross the river, but he can't swim. There's a fox near the river. "I can swim," says the fox. "Sit on my head." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's head. The fox starts to swim. The water is deeper now, says the fox. You must sit on my nose. The gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose. The fox opens its mouth and eats him. So that's all about the reading. Now, let's move on another activity, students. All right, so now students, please have a look here. This is the practice number 1 for you. In this practice, Mr. Thuận, I will show you the questions on the left and the answers on the right. And what I would like you to do is match the question with the correct answer for me. Now, let's read the question first. The first question is, what does the old woman make? Number 2, why does she want to make the gingerbread man? Number 3, what does the gingerbread man need? And the last question is, does the fox have the gingerbread man? And how about the answers? Let's read them. Because she wants to eat him. Next, he meets a cat. No, he opens his mouth to eat the gingerbread man. And the last one is, she makes a special cookie, a gingerbread man. Now, students, I will give you 2 minutes to match the question with the correct answer for me. 2 minutes, go. Okay, so thumbs up. Now, the first question. What does the old woman make? Can you answer the question for me? That's right. She makes a special cookie. That is a gingerbread man. Very good. And how about this question? Why does she want to make the gingerbread man, everybody? Can you answer the question for me? Of course, because she wants to eat him, right? And this one, what does the gingerbread man meet? Do you still remember in the story? Very good. He meets a cat first, right? He meets a cat. And does the fox help the gingerbread man? At the end of the story, do you still remember? No, he opens his mouth to eat the gingerbread man. He doesn't help him. He eats him. All right? Thank you, students. And here is the practice number 2 for you. So, students, you are going to read and write T for true and F for false. This is the first sentence for you. The gingerbread man is a cookie. Number 2, the old woman is angry. The cat is the gingerbread man. And the last one, the gingerbread man can swim. Now, Mr. Thuận, I will give you 1 minute to write T for true or F for false. 1 minute, go. Okay, so students, the gingerbread man is a cookie, true or false? Of course, that's true, right? Gingerbread man is a special cookie. How about this one? The old woman is angry, true or false? Excellent, that's true, right? Number 3, the cat is the gingerbread man. True or false, everybody? False. Why? Who is the gingerbread man. Do you remember? That's right. The fox is the gingerbread man, not the cat. And the last one is, the gingerbread man can swim? True or false, everybody? That's false, right? He cannot swim. That's why he's on the fox nose. Very good, students. So this is the end of our lesson today, and here's your homework. The first thing is review the lesson 5 in unit 10, please. And next, please finish the worksheet number 5 in unit 10. So, 2 things for you to remember. Number 1, review the lesson 5. It's about the reading and the new words. Number 2, please finish the worksheet 5 in unit 10. So, thanks for listening and watching. I'll see you next time.